Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. Got this thing in my head there that I've been working on for a little bit, and I want to share it with y'all. Just follow along. Anyway, you go to your Walmart there. Ooh, we'll tilt y'all sideways for a bit. I got the bag underneath the camera stand. You go to your local Walmart or your hardware store or whatever, and if you do heating and air, you get the stuff all the time, like me. Get your foam pipe cover, and it comes in like three or four of these in a pack. You know, it's like $3 or so, and I got the 3/4 inch, and I got 3 of them. You know, so what I done was went like this here, took some scissors, cut, took some more scissors, cut, until I got these. Well, actually I got all of these. Okay, now zoom in a little bit. Got my bottle back there, but anyway, so I take like these here, and it comes with the sticky, so you know you can put it around a pipe and stick it together. So what I'm gonna do is peel the sticker off of that one, peel the sticker off another one, and kind of line them up to where they're kind of equal. And I got that. And I'm just going to keep on doing this here. Peel the sticker off this one. Sticker off this one. So, and just keep going till you used up, you know, most of your pipe or whatever, your foam pipe cover. And I just keep on going. I know y'all like, hang on, Jason, what in the world are you making? Just hang to the end. Just hang to the end. I mean, I won't say a cheap guy. You know, I work 2 jobs. So everything I have to do has to be, you know, cost effective, cost efficient. Like when I go to big races, whatnot, I get the tires and whatnot that I know are going to work. I'm not trying to guess or anything like that. I usually try to have my car set up or know it's set up before I get there, so I don't waste any time. Because I'm also, when I'm there, I'm also, fix this camera angle. When I'm there, I'm also, you know, trying to shoot and get footage and everything else. So everything I can't, what I'm trying to say is I can't waste, you know. Hence why I get a chance, you know, I try to interview and cover as many people as possible. So what it does, it brings, you know, y'all some insight on different kits and stuff like that, and maybe it'll help y'all along, you know. Because I mean, if you're like me, you're 100% unsponsored, and everything, every buck counts. So it's kind of all uneven. But we're gonna get this. So I can't waste time at races, and I can't waste money at races and stuff like that. Yeah. So finally, I'll clean up my mess here. And with the fact of being 100% unsponsored, you know, I depend on the money I make off of YouTube and like Patreon and stuff like that. You know, I depend on it, and you know, put money back at my job. But what you're gonna do, and this is what I done, is I went and got this container at work at Walmart. Y'all know I work at Walmart, but anyway, and do heating there on the side. Plug. But anyway, got this container for 88 cents, so less than $5. Put that in there like that, and let me zoom in and show you how. Well, I don't have to zoom in, I'll just show you like that there. And put your shock oils in there. If you're like me, this is how I was carrying my shock oils before, and it's you know, shock oil all in the bottom of this. And you know, diff oil stuff costs money. Like every time I was going to a big race, I was always buying shock oil or diff oil or whatnot. So and also you can put your super glues and stuff like that. That's some oil from Yokomo. Throw that in there. Super glues. But anyway, you filled up the other side with the same thing and whatnot. It clicks. Thought I put a rubber band around it, but yeah, you fill up the other side with it, and there you go. You got your, take your diff oils and diff grease and everything everywhere, and you don't got to worry about them spilling out. And if they do spill out, the foam here soaks it up. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side, and that's how I'm gonna transport my oils, and like not worry about them like turning over. Well, when I get the other side, I ain't gotta worry about them turning over. Anyway, look, I got all my shock oils. But that ain't nothing compared to the ones that have dripped out, and they've just gone. But I put the napkin in the bottom. I got my super glues in there, so finished. Now I just got the aftermath of my old one where I used to carry. Look at that, I got oil, shock oil all over that. That stuff is like pretty much like ruined in there. So yeah, that's something I've been thinking up. I know somebody's gonna get on and say, oh, that's been done before, that's been done before. Look, like I said, I'm working racer. When I go to these races, I want to be competitive. I try to be competitive, but for some reason by Saturday I know I'm not competitive. And then Sunday I'm in chill mode. But if I'm competitive, like I want to go to races and know that I'm prepared and that I'm competitive. That's something, you know, my dad always instilled in me, was if you're gonna go to a race, you go to win. Even if you don't, you go to win. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show that there. If you got a buddy, you know, fellow buddy at the track or whatever, your local track, do him up one, or do them up, or her, do her up one, and just give it to her. I mean, or give it to them. Doesn't cost nothing, like $5. $5. Like I said, I could put oil on this side, put, you know, super glues, and put diff on this side and oil on this side, whatever. But it won't turn over. Like it won't. You won't be losing oil. And like I stated before, like I went to a couple races recently, and I was that guy bumming oil and bumming stuff from everybody. Like, thank you, Joe Ellis, and thank you, Brian Robertson. Thank you, Max Fleur. I was that guy, just walk up on you. Brad Powell, Silent Assassin, thank you. Ben Warner, Factory Ben, thank you. Chris Pace, thank you. But yeah, I was just that guy, walk up on you like, hey, you got this, knowing that you do have it. The Shermans. But anyway, no more bumming shock oils for me, you know. So just a tip, you know, just something to make you more organized, because organized is fast, and you can get on a track faster and be more effective faster. But yeah, if you like the video, thumbs up. Like I said, you know, comment down below. YouTube money and all that helps out a lot, like more than you know. But yeah, anyway, that's all I got. Y'all guys take it easy. I'll see you at the track. Like I said, I know somebody's gonna be like, yeah, somebody on the West Coast there already came up with this here. You know how they are out on the West Coast, you know, they always gotta come up with something first. Or somebody's gonna come up with this here, or make this here and then start selling it. But anyway, that's my 2 cents. See y'all guys at track. I'm gonna start going to Beach RC once they get started, you know, opening up good, and start going down on Mondays or whatnot and practice. Like I said, it's 4.5 hours away, so I'll probably, you know, stay the night or something down there. I am gonna do some races out west on the West Coast. I don't know which ones. Robert Antoine, I got some tires coming for you. And my buddy just hit me up today, y'all. Like, this is wild. Like, this is just wild. Like, he's from Tacoma, Washington, and he hit me up today. Roberto Milan, thank you. He's a guy that watched my channel, and he's like, you know, if I come out to Tacoma, I got a place to stay, a ride, pick me up from the airport. Like, I mean, just how it's supposed to be, like, pulled. Like, you know, like if he came to Myrtle Beach or something, same respect, you know. Tony Capozano, same respect, you know. I got to go out there. I got to see what it's about out there, especially Rain Man's, especially that whole vibe. But anyway, I done got on a rant. Y'all guys take it easy. Coming at you next time. Bye.